Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the history of install apps on Google Play Stores. So the history of install apps here means that the apps is now are not currently installed on your phone, but you have install the apps in the past on maybe on your previous phones. So here what you need to do is just click on your profile icon in the Google Play Store on the right corner. So click on the manage apps and device, click on the manage tab at the top. Here in this you can see the blue button installed. Click on that and choose not installed because now the apps are not installed currently on my phone. So this is the history of apps that I have installed in the past. And if you want to reinstall the apps, let's say, just click on the apps that you want to reinstall, and after that click on the install button again. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Thank you.